Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize, I missed an upload last week and I feel terrible, but I had a ton of construction going on in my backyard and it was just impossible to film without a ton of background noise. So I'm back today, as promised, with a sneaker haul for you guys. So if you've been watching my channel for a little while, I've unboxed a lot of handbags and small other goods on my channel, but I also have a serious shoe addiction. So today I'm going to be unboxing 4 pairs of shoes for you that I have purchased in the last 3 months, I believe. They all happen to be sneakers. That is all I wear these days. One of them is a pair from Chanel, 2 of them are Nikes, and 1 of them is a pair of Yeezys that you are not gonna wanna miss. I also have my French Bulldog napping next to me here, so if you hear some snoring or moving around, it's him. Ozzy. Oh, hi. Hi, Ozzy. What are you doing, Bubs? What are you doing? Are you interrupting? I love you. Are you sleepy? Okay, I'll let you sleep. All right, let's get right into it. Let's start with Chanel. Came in this big box. I ordered these from a department store, Bergdorf Goodman, one of my longtime favorite stores to shop at for all things shoes, bags, you name it. I saw these shoes on Instagram a while ago. I thought that they were going to be very difficult to get, especially in my size, which is huge. I am a size 42 in most designer shoes, so usually stores only get 1 or 2 pairs in that size and they're really hard to come by. And also, if men are interested in luxury sneakers, they may buy them on the women's side and then that size goes pretty fast. I texted my sales associate and he happened to have the exact pair I wanted in my size, so it was really meant to be. So it comes packaged like this. Take this out and there you go. So here we have the shoebox. You will see here, I will hide it, but these are from 21P collection, so you can be surprised. And they are a size 42 and they were apparently $950. I thought they were $925, but I guess they are $950. They're so cute, you guys. All right, so inside I've got my receipt from Bergdorf Goodman. I'll just show you that right there. Okay, little Chanel booklet here. And then Chanel shoes come with 2 dust bags, 1 for each shoe, which is great. Let's go ahead and get these open. Okay, 2 pairs of laces. Here's a white pair. There you go, you can see the first one. Let me pull them out. Oh my God, they're so cute. I've already opened these, you guys, and tried them on, so sorry, I couldn't wait for you. Here is the other one. Ah. All right, here they are, the 21P sneakers with the beautiful pink tie-dye-esque laces. I love these. They've got like those like splotchy, like bleach dots almost. So freaking cute. All right, there's the Chanel label. Here is like a UPC ARFID sticker. There is the insole of the shoe. So it says Chanel made in Italy. And then it's got the style number and the size there on the inside of the tongue. All right, same details on the other shoe, but on the back, of course, it spells out the word Chanel and it is super clean. It has basically the white leather of the letter, but it's like 3-dimensional with the pink there, so you can just lightly see the elevated branding back there. So I am obsessed with these shoes, guys. This is my first pair of this style. Ever since these came out, this is the best looking Chanel shoe I've ever seen. So a little bit about my love for sneakers definitely started because of skateboarding sneakers. That was like a vibe I was really into in high school, and then in college I was really into Nike SBs and just always into skate sneakers specifically. And to me, when I saw this shoe come out, it looked the most like a skateboarding sneaker, right? Super clean. One of the original silhouettes that came out, I believe it was like that neon multicolor one, which I really like. What I did love about those, especially in the black and white variation though, was they had like that chenille sort of fabric back here. And I like love chenille varsity leather type thing. So I thought they were really cute. But when I saw these, and white sneakers are just having a moment right now, I knew this was the pair. Just like a clean white sneaker with that little bit of pink, which as you guys know is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, actually 3 of these shoes I'm unboxing today are pink. Oh my god, ridiculous. But I tried them on. They're actually super comfortable width-wise. They had a lot more in the toe box than some luxury sneakers do. Here's the sole of the shoe. Chanel imprint there. Just super clean branding. It's not so in your face, it's just a little touch of luxe branding, you know? But if you know, you know. And I love that they have the extra pair of laces if you really want to be crispy, clean white. I had seen these all over Instagram on a lot of personal shopper accounts, so I really thought that I was gonna have to pay above retail to get these, and I just really don't like paying above retail for luxury products. So I was shocked when they had these in stock in my size, and it really was meant to be. So I got these for myself as my Easter present from the Easter Bunny. You know, they're so like Easter pastel-y, perfect little Easter gift, right? The next shoe I have here is a Nike Dunk Low. So I mentioned I have huge feet. I wear a size 42 in most European shoes, luxury designers, just because I have wider feet. I always go for the 42 just to give myself a little bit of extra room. But typically in like standard American designer shoes or Nikes, I wear a size 11. Adidas, sometimes I go even less than that because they can run a little big sometimes, but honestly it depends on the shoe. So these are Nike Dunk Lows in Sail Orange Pearl. They are also pink, as I mentioned. I just thought these were the perfect shade of baby pink. So when I saw these, I knew I had to have them. I tried really hard, of course, to get them on the sneakers app, and I did not. So I had to buy these resale, which is super annoying, but they weren't that expensive because they are Dunk Lows. They were a women's style. And so I just thought, you know what, whatever, I'm gonna pay slightly above retail, but it was worth it because these are the perfect shade of baby pink. There you go. Super cute. That is the second pair that I got. This next pair is my Dunk High Ambush, and I'm sure you can guess what color I got at this point. But when I saw these, I had to have them. So if you guys don't know, 𝒢𝓈 is a Korean American designer. She is the founder of the brand Ambush. I absolutely love everything about her. She is so cool. I love her style. She's beautiful. I love all the projects she's involved in, but these sneakers really caught my eye. I'll explain to you why when I open them. So 𝒢𝓈 is also the men's jewelry designer for Dior. I wore my men's Dior piece here for this video, but yeah, when you see these, I think you'll know why I bought them. So I believe these were men's size. I ended up getting the 9.5. Men's is usually the most comfortable for me. I know I have huge feet, but there you go. So these are the bright fuchsia Nike Ambush Dunk Highs. And the reason why I love these is because they're very like architectural. You've got this bump out here on the back, which is super cool, and it says Ambush, and then the Nike sign is like 3-dimensional, where it comes off there and it pokes out the back. And I just think that is so cute. And then they're bright fuchsia, which I think will just add like a pop to any, you know, basic outfit. And I wear a lot of black, so I just love these. The inside is like a neon green and it says ambush. It says ambush right there. I really love these. So I, of course, tried to get these on the sneakers app to no avail, and they weren't going for that much over retail, which is why I decided to pay resale for them, which I hate. I figured that too many men weren't going to be wearing these, or at least they would be more interested in the black and white version versus the pink version. So these were not too badly priced over retail, so I decided to just pull the trigger on it. But yeah. Last but not least, I have a pair of Yeezy Foam Runners. These are pretty crazy, guys, if you have not seen these before. So the box is just plain brown. When you open it up, it says foam. And there you go. These are my alien shoes. So these, I always can do a little bit of magic on the Adidas app. I do not do well on sneakers, but I did get these on, I forget how they dropped these, if it was on the Confirmed app or what exactly happened, but I got these. I wanted the marble ones, that was my preference, but I got the sand ones. These are $70, and I'll tell you my thought process here was that I was looking for like a Croc alternative. Like a nice summer shoe that I could wear to just throw on, to take my son to the park, to do a little gardening, you know, but still be a little different and not just like, you know, the same as your next door neighbor's Croc. So I thought these would be super cool. And honestly, even showing them on camera, they look pretty sick, guys. But when I put them on my feet, I fucking hate them. This bump on the top here, it just looks like an alien shoe, and I just can't take myself seriously. Like when I look at myself in these shoes, I feel ridiculous. So I think I might sell these. I'm a little undecided. I have trouble letting things go. I'm definitely a hoarder. From the side, I like them, but from the top, I don't. These are alien shoes, but that's kind of why I like them, right? Because they're like a unique-esque Croc, and I wanted to do a little gardening in them. Whatever, they're crazy. If I can make probably a slight profit on these, go towards some of my other shoe purchases, fine. What do you guys think? These are crazy, right? Should I keep these or should I sell them? These are a size 9. Yes, these are a size 9. Those are all of the shoes that I have bought in the last 3 months. I don't think there's anything I'm missing. 3 pairs of pink shoes and 1 pair of alien shoes. Ozzy, hey look, why don't you say hi? All right guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Please tell me what your favorite sneaker was in the comments down below. If you like French Bulldogs, please hit that thumbs up button. If you like sneakers, if you like the color pink, if you like shopping, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I have so many more videos planned for you guys. I really appreciate all the love and support. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.